Hi, it's Liz Degnan, and I'm looking at the ProQuest Explorer database, and I wanted to take an opportunity to highlight areas that I thought were particularly helpful. I liked the way the search features allowed for general exploring, such as browsing the subjects, exploring features, or looking at the spotlight topics, or when you narrow it down, focusing on a specific keyword or subject and allowing the free text search. So those I think are particularly helpful. And again, when students are exploring, or when people are exploring, we're exploring, we often find things and just want to keep track of things. And this really allows students or really the user to do that. So again, I just went to the subject, browse subjects, and I clicked on social studies. And I'll just look at the first article, Happy Year of the Pig, from yesterday. And so if I'm reading that and I'm like, wow, this is really interesting. I don't know if I want to use this or not, but I'm not sure. Then I think a great feature is it allows you to save this article or export it or keep track of it, so that if you want to go back and use it or refer to it again, it's pretty easy to do that. So I want to make sure that you guys see that feature. The other thing that I thought was really interesting and helpful, the blog was interesting. I think it's always interesting to see what people are doing. But I did notice that when I click on it, it goes to October 2018, which, okay, and scrolls. That wouldn't really jazz me up. But if I click on home, then it seems to go to a more current posting. So that's the blog is good, but a little wonky in that way. But the educator's resources is worth a look, especially if you're an educator or a parent or guardian, or would like to use this, have access and would like to use this. So it offers communication tools and training for ProQuest Discoverer. So I think that's a great feature and very useful. And so that's it. Have a great day, and I hope this was helpful.